I now have to be on pure video mode. I like it. I don't have the adaptive tone for it. And I have to fix my kickstand, and I think I am going to say, hey, I'll put you away, grab out the DJI Action 5 Pro, and edit all this video on a Mac machine. And let me get the DJI going and get on down to the end. Lights went off. When the lights go out in the city, you know that song. We're here reviewing the light in the highest mode, as you can see, nice and bright. As I ride along, the boat lights are on. Oh yeah, we'll catch that sunrise soon to come. In about 8 minutes time, it'll get above that boat. So as we ride down today to the end, yes indeed, maybe the sun will pop up. I updated the X5 V1.30, and yeah, the first thing I noticed after I got back, I was like, when you do the Pocket 3 and bring it to the side like this, all my shots were more looking towards the right, and I was in the right hand side, meaning that I was to one side of the screen, lower 2/3, something like that. I just don't know the name of it. And I thought, hey, did the fish do something wrong? And even when I put in the video, so maybe I held the camera wrong, maybe it was user error. So I asked my question, and yeah, I guess it was me, that maybe I had a wrong setting on. So I recalibrated the camera. I did not reset it because I don't want to lose my settings, this and that. And I wanted to downgrade firmware. I had a problem. Couldn't downgrade. Incorrect firmware. So I got with Insta360 and we chatted with Noah. Noah's trying to help me out, and I get back in a day or two trying to get a resolution. Maybe they put the incorrect firmware on there, 1.124, and maybe they need to get that correct firmware going so I can reload it. Well, casually riding down to the end, and the sun is just about popping. I'm here at the end waiting for the sun to come up. And I got the Action 5 Pro on time lapse. I have the Insta360 mic Air on noise canceling because the wind is kicking. And it feels very comfortable indeed, the wind. I'm holding the camera on a 11 o'clock position, and I'm looking pretty good 12 o'clock ahead. I am shaking a little because the wind is kicking, like I said. Well, we can rotate around and watch the motorcycle take off. There you go. I don't know if you guys see if I'm centered, and that's why I like that me being over here on the side. I thought DJI Insta360 did something. I called it DJI. Soon DJI will get the Action 360 out in the field for all. I laugh when you say worldwide. Let me get on going. That sun's almost up. I gave it a chance. I just can't wait no more. I'm going. I'm gonna head down to the shore and see what it looks like. Oh, the sun! It surprised me. It popped on up. Get nice and close, get a nice golden crispy shot. You think I'll miss that sunrise for you? Just wait that extra second and it comes up within a minute. All right, so yeah, I did a time lapse and I just didn't hold off for another 2 minutes. That was me. But I got the sunrise to what I wanted and shown. So let's get on going to the shore. Beautiful morning. The ARC coming in. Gonna be dropping off. The wind is pushing, and that's why I put my bike over there. My lights, I gotta change it to something else. I had that on all my ride. The app's easy to use. Just basically set it up. And I got new firmware again. Loading up. They must be really putting stuff on. So I guess I can't do anything until firmware gets loaded. Well, I got graffiti here. What can I do? I could do one of these. Put some color to it. I guess you don't know what that is, right? I'll write it out for you. If you don't like it, you get rid of it. Graffiti does a lot of good things. But I'm trying to look for some material where it was at. One-click animation, is it? There we go. I got my information back on. I'm good to go. I think I'm going to ride home like this. And get ready. Sun's up. Time for me to get on out of here. Well, I did say a lot, did a lot, shared a lot, showed a lot, said some, did some. And yes, I gotta go meet up with Joe and take care of some beeswax. I'm Fish, and I'll see you on the next one. I'm gonna put you away for another nice day. I'm gonna be doing some things and taking care of some things. I think I said my ending. Time for me to get on going. Happy trails. Now I'm not gonna sing. Off we go, and out we are here.